Ocean animal videos are absolutely exploding right now. Have you noticed those breathtaking ocean clips flooding YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok? Massive whales gliding through endless blue water, shimmering schools of fish moving like one body, glowing jellyfish drifting in darkness, and giant sharks ruling the deep sea. These videos feel cinematic, peaceful, and addictive, and they often pull in millions of views. Want to create videos just like these? First, open ChatGPT. Now type cinematic ocean wildlife video concepts. Instantly, you'll get multiple powerful ocean scene ideas. At this stage, you decide which sea creature you want to bring to life. Now type something like, "I want a rare white dolphin," and create a hyper-realistic image prompt. Click Generate. Within seconds, your detailed image prompt appears. Copy that prompt immediately. Next, open your browser and search for Google Vids. Click the first official link. This opens the main Google Vids dashboard. Press the Get Started button. On the right side, you'll see different creative tools. Choose the image option. Paste your image prompt there. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Select your preferred visual style. I'll choose cinematic photography, then hit Generate. Wait briefly while your image renders in stunning quality. And just like that, your ocean masterpiece appears. Now it's time to animate it. Head back to ChatGPT and type, "Write a detailed cinematic motion prompt for this exact ocean scene." Click Generate. ChatGPT will craft a dynamic animation prompt, copy the full video prompt, and return to Google Vids. Select your generated image. On the right panel, choose Convert to Video. Paste your animation prompt carefully. Click Generate. After a few seconds, your vertical ocean wildlife short is finished and ready to post. Finally, export the video. For more powerful AI content strategies and step-by-step tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe now.